Hello friends, I am Ishan. Today we are going to discuss the topic Ayushman Bharat, Healthcare for All. I am going to speak in favor of the Ayushman Bharat scheme.
Hello friends, I am Kajal. I will speak about the challenges in implementing the Ayushman Bharat scheme.
Hello friends, I am Nirja. I will speak in support of the Ayushman Bharat scheme.
Hey guys, I am Rohit. I will speak about the challenges faced in the implementation of the Ayushman Bharat scheme.
Ayushman Bharat aims to provide health insurance to millions of low-income families. The program covers a wide range of medical procedures and hospitalizations. Ayushman Bharat promotes preventive healthcare and early diagnosis. It encourages setting up more healthcare facilities in rural areas. The scheme aims to reduce the financial burden of healthcare on families. Ayushman Bharat helps to increase the overall healthcare coverage in India. This helps in reducing the expenditure on medical treatment. This plan provides financial protection against high healthcare costs. Ayushman Bharat Yojana improves access to quality healthcare for underprivileged populations. It helps in the treatment of serious illnesses and major surgery.
Ayushman Bharat may face challenges in reaching remote and deprived areas. There may be limitations on the treatments and services covered. This plan will not solve all the issues surrounding healthcare affordability. There may be gaps in the integration of public and private healthcare providers. The program may require significant administrative and operational management. Implementation challenges may hinder the effectiveness of Ayushman Bharat. The scheme may face problems in adequate funding and resource allocation. Some healthcare facilities may not meet the quality standards required by the program. There may be bureaucratic delays in settling claims and providing benefits. The increased coverage due to this program may lead to overcrowding in hospitals.
Ayushman Bharat aims to achieve universal health coverage in India. It provides financial assistance for treatments that would otherwise be unaffordable. This program can lead to improvement in healthcare infrastructure and services. Ayushman Bharat Yojana supports the health of vulnerable populations, including women and children. This can increase the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the healthcare system. It provides a platform to integrate various healthcare services under one plan. The program provides assistance to both public and private hospitals, thereby improving healthcare options. Ayushman Bharat can contribute to better health outcomes and increased life expectancy. This helps reduce disparities in access to healthcare between urban and rural areas. This scheme promotes health insurance literacy and awareness.
The scheme may face challenges in ensuring equal access to all beneficiaries. There may be concerns about the sustainability of the program in the long term. This program will not completely address the underlying issues of healthcare infrastructure. Some areas may face difficulties in maintaining the standards required for Ayushman Bharat. Ongoing monitoring and evaluation may be required to ensure effectiveness. There may be resistance from healthcare providers regarding reimbursement rates. The effectiveness of the scheme may vary across different states and regions. Some beneficiaries may face difficulties with the paperwork and procedures. This program may not cover all types of healthcare needs or specific services. There may be issues with the quality of care provided under this scheme.
Hope you like our discussion. Please comment and let us know if you think we should add some other important points that we may have missed.
Also, if you want us to cover any group discussion topic, please let us know. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet.
Please stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye. Take care.